Hi, I'm Serena from Nanoleaf, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 of the coolest Nanoleaf features. You might already have and love your panels or canvas, or you might be looking to get some for the first time. Either way, they're incredibly cool on their own. But here are some features that you might not know about that'll totally change the way you experience your Nanoleaf products. Number 5, augmented reality. Before you even install your design on the wall, the Nanoleaf app has a built-in augmented reality feature to let you see what your design would look like in the space. In the Layout Assistant, you can plan out the design that you want to build. When you're done, press this button at the bottom to launch the AR feature. Hold it in front of the wall that you want to use and wait until it's detected. Then tap on the wall and you'll see your design come to life. Like most augmented reality technology, it's not perfect, but it'll give you a really good idea of what your design is going to look like in the space and is especially useful if you're looking to build onto a pre-existing design. Number 4, painting. This feature is my personal favorite. There's tons of colors and patterns to choose from that are preset, but what if you're looking for a little more customization? The app lets your inner artist out by letting you manually color each light one by one in the pattern or color of your choice. From the dashboard, click the plus in the right-hand corner and choose Color Scene. Your design will pop up on the screen and you'll be able to tap each panel individually to make it any color you choose. Tap them one by one or enable finger paint mode to paint more fluidly. Cool, right? Number 3, rhythm. Our new light panel smarter kits come with the rhythm module that lets them react to the sounds around them, and the canvas has this super cool feature built right in. If you go to the rhythm tab on the app, you can choose a color scheme and then choose the motion for the visualizer. Each motion will show your colors in a beautiful way and give you a whole new way to experience music and sound. Number 2, the Discover tab. With Nanoleaf, you can be as creative as you want and bring your creations to life. But what about what other users are creating? If you go to the Discover tab in the app, you can browse through hundreds of user-generated scenes, from exciting, bright, and upbeat, to chill, mellow, relaxed. Made for every mood and purpose. See what scenes others have been enjoying, and also let it spark your own creativity to create new scenes of your own. Number 1, smart home integration. The Nanoleaf app has so many amazing and cool features, but what about when you're not on your phone? The smart home integration means that your Google Assistant, HomeKit, or Alexa can all be used to control your lights hands-free. With a simple voice command, you can turn your lights on or off, set your favorite scene, and even control the brightness. And that means that you're going to be having the perfect lighting every time. Did you know about these features? What feature do you love that I didn't mention in this video? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for even more Nanoleaf.